Hello people, in this lecture we were going to study about data sciences. In my previous lecture I have explained you about big data and its technical terms and introduction. But from this lecture and onward we will have big technical terms and we will also have some practical implementation. So stay connected while the complete series, and if you didn't subscribe my channel, so don't forget to subscribe it. So in this lecture we will study about modern data sciences and its connection to big data. Apart from that, we will study about why data science is the key to getting value out of big data. And we will also study about the red set of skills for a big data scientist to fit your organization. So basically, data science is the field of study that combines domain expertise, programming skill, knowledge, mathematics, and statistics to extract exact meaningful insight from data. And it also provides meaningful information that is based on large amount of complex or big data. So what we are having basically, what we do in data sciences, in data sciences we provide meaningful information, and for that we have a large amount of data. Initially what we had small amount of data. For that we used traditional database, but big data or data science has given us a different concept, in that we are studying about expertise in every field that could be related to definitely programming skill, that is related to your mathematics, statistics we are using to extract meaningful insight. This data is also showing the result in the form of math and statistics, computer science, and of course your business domain. So if we talk about the proper definition of data science, it is basically an interdisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, process, algorithm, and system to extract knowledge and insight from many structural and unstructured data. I've also explained in my previous lecture about structured and unstructured data, and data science is basically related to data mining, deep learning, and big data. And all these are interdisciplinary field which you can see furthermore, which are not mentioned here. So this is the simplest definition, which doesn't require any complex term which I need to explain. So let's move. So what the data scientist should, definitely data scientists should have a passion for the data, that what's new in the data, how can we extract the data, and that person should know that how that person or data scientist can relate the problem to analytics of any required data. Suppose we are studying the coronavirus, so in that the specific purpose or the specific person basically should know that what is the current rate of coronavirus around the world, what is the data is in the field, and that person should have a data of every country, of every level of group, of every level of age groups basically, or every level of gender. So that person should relate problem to analytics, and that person should know or should care about the engineering solution, and that person should have a curiosity. Definitely if you are curious about something, so you can get a lot of meanings. And communication with the teammates, if you have a good because there are so many people in circle of data scientists, we can't sit on a single scientist. Suppose if we are working on machine learning, so we are having math and statistics scientists, we need to have programming, we need to have communication, we need visualization experts. So all these experts make a single system, and definitely we should have a technical skills, business, and soft skill. So what is basically inside big data? In big data what we do, we analyze, and we are having a lot of questions. Suppose we talk about the wildfire in California. So what we have a question that what is the reason behind the fire and how much area is covered. So definitely we analyze and we relate it with the question. After that we get insight. Insight is the hidden result. There is an example of data science application by Amazon website. So they are working on a book recommendation, that how many people prefer a book. So what they collected initially, they collected customer demographic, what are the previous purchases of any relevant category book, and what are the book reviews. Then we see that what kind of book does this customer like, whether this person like historical books, this person like motivational books, this person like the books related to any technology or gadgets. So after that we focus on book recommendation. Then find potential audience. In audience, basically what we do is model of customer book preference. What is the preference of customer basically? A new book information. After that we relate is who is likely to do this book. And okay, mark a new book. Then what we see in how can we mark the new book? Who is likely to like this book? We see that how this, what is the statistics of a specific purpose, a person of purchasing any book. So if person has purchased 1,000 or 100 books of motivation, so definitely that person is definitely gonna like another book, and we take action. So in actionable information, what we do is we have historical data and near real time data, and we make a prediction. So building a big data strategy basically. So in big data strategy, we study about a plan of actions or policy or design to achieve overall your target or aim. So in strategy, what we have: aim, policy, plan or action. In my next lecture, we will complete cover all these strategies in detail. So for further details, stay connected with me and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any queries, so don't forget to ask me in comment box. Thanks for watching.